Hello there, welcome to Blink and Babe. Thanks a lot for choosing to watch this video. In this video, we will be unboxing the SIMPLETASTE digital kitchen scale that I recently bought from Amazon. The cost of the product is around 900 INR. The link to the product is in the description. Please check it out if needed. Before unboxing, we have some highlights here. We'll just take a look at it. High quality, easy touch buttons, high contrast LED display, and auto off. In the back, we have some specifications listed. Model number 700IN0018, capacity 5000 grams or 5000 milliliter, and for the units we have 5 different options including gram and milliliter, and for the power it uses 3 AAA batteries, which is not included in the box. And for the customer service, we have 90 days refund guarantee, 24-month full warranty, and 24-hour customer service. Now we will unbox this. Here is our product. First impressions, the top of the product comes with this metallic brush finish which adds to the overall looks. It is made of food grade 304 stainless steel. In addition to the product being lightweight, the product is also slim and sleek. Down below we have the touch buttons on either side of the LED display. So these are actually touch buttons. We don't have to press them, and instead just the touch would make it work. We will soon look at them in detail. So above the display, it has the max weight information written as 5000 gram, or which is 5 kg. Then D is equal to 1 gram, so which means it is the least division for incremental measure value. In the back we have the provision for the batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and we get 4 rubber cushions for the stands to place the product firm. Let's insert the batteries. Now let's power it on. The screen now displays 0 grams. And now for the units. Pressing the unit button switches a scale for water, and now we see 0 ml instead of the G. Pressing it again, and now the display shows milk with 0 ml. Since water and milk has different viscosity, it is essential to choose the right option before we weigh them. Pressing the unit button again, we see the unit in oz, which means ounce. Pressing again, we see LB, which stands for pounds. Now we see water with FL oz, and pressing again, now we see milk with FL oz, where FL stands for fluid ounce. So a lot of options for choosing the unit, but for the demo we will stick to grams and ml. Now for the grams, we will use a chocolate bar, a soap, and this 1 kg atta pack. Let's check them one by one. So this is a 51 gram chocolate bar. The actual value is measured as 51 grams as well. This is a 150 gram soap. Almost same. And for our 1 kg atta pack, so it shows 1013 grams. So we see the value in grams since there is no option to display the units in kilograms. Now let's switch to water. So placing a 500 ml water bottle. We see the reading as 521 ml, but this is not the right way to measure the water since the plastic bottle will also add to the weight. And moreover, we buy a weighing scale to measure the weight of the ingredients we use rather than verifying items like this. So for this purpose, we have the option called tare. The power button actually doubles as tare button as well. Let's see how to use this feature. So let's say I want to bake a cake and I need to measure sugar of about 100 grams that I need to use for my cake. To do that, first let's set the scale to grams. Okay, now let's place the bowl. Here is where the tare option comes into play. We see the scale showing us some value here, and adding sugar to the bowl will not serve my purpose. So what I can do is I can press the power button, which will reset the scale to 0. And now I see 0 gram and a T on the screen, meaning that I have used the tare option to minus the weight of this bowl. Now we can start adding the sugar to the bowl until we see 100 grams on the display. We could do something similar to measure liquid as well, assuming we need to measure 500 ml of water. First, we will need to change the unit to display water and ml. Then we will place the bowl. Hit the tare button. The weight resets to 0. Now we will start pouring the water onto the bowl. There we go, we have measured 500 ml of water. So to reset the scale, simply remove the bowl and press the power button once, which will reset the value to 0. To power off the scale, touch and hold the power button for a second or two, which will turn off the scale, or it also turns off automatically after 2 minutes as well. If we load the scale with more than 5 kg, we also get a safety warning on the screen that says error. It is not advisable to overload the scale. Also, for a low battery, the screen would display LO and we can replace the batteries based on the message. So that pretty much sums up the weighing scale. It is lightweight, stylish with modern looks, gives you precise weight measurements, has multiple units for measurement, and top of that, the one-touch tare option for convenience. This scale is your go-to partner if you are looking forward to starting a healthy diet or following your passion in cooking. A satisfied purchase for me. Hope it would be the same for you as well if you are looking to buy one. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Hope this was useful and informational. Catch you another one. Thank you. Bye bye.